So, it is 3:50 a.m. I have the weirdest sleep schedule. I'm more of like a night owl. I sleep during the day because there's so many people out there doing so many things. And I get like a bear. If you know a lot about animals, bears hibernate in the wintertime, and when they're full, they've had enough food to eat. I'm the type of person I like to eat a lot of food and then have my cigarette, or now I have a vape pen, which is like, it's kind of like not the same. So, right now I'm relaxing, taking it easy, doing nothing, a whole bunch of nothing. Um, yeah. I had a good appointment today. It was great. She asked me how I was doing emotionally. Couldn't really say very much. So, you like my ring?